The ominous clouds of the Amazon rainforest. A storm is coming. The COVID-19 virus pandemic already has. The communities of the river have little resilience to the diseases of the outside world. It's been a plague here for over 300 years, and it's back worse than ever. We cut through a gap in the forest, entering another waterway you could never find without a guide. And through the rain, a hospital ship. The white man brought this virus, they say. Now the white man is trying to stop its lethal spread into the indigenous populations of the Amazon. But there is not much these doctors can do. In the village's community centre, they set up a triage area. The medical staff are trying to separate those who have COVID symptoms and those who are just ill. They're questioning everyone. The point is, they have no way of telling who has COVID, who is asymptomatic, and who is infectious. This is a very dangerous place. The most obviously ill are led towards Dr. Ludmila Inakazonos. She's a specialist in the COVID-19 disease. She told me people in the community are afraid because they live out here with no access to medical care apart from the river unit.
And these river communities do have regular contact with the outside world, though they are meant to be cut off. In other communities, even more remote, and we're still very remote here, but even more remote, even the common cold can wipe them out, let alone something like COVID-19. The doctors are really worried that a second wave of this infection coming from the cities is going to continue to spread into some of the most remote parts of the world.
What the medics try to do is inoculate the vulnerable against the H1N1 flu virus. It's simply to ensure that those who get ill can be more easily identified as COVID victims as opposed to flu. What they don't know is how far this virus is spreading away from the river. But local leaders say their villagers have been ill and dying for weeks.
Subiu o rio, porque o mesmo sintoma que passava na televisão, dor de cabeça, febre, e dor no corpo, e a cadeira, rinha, atacou meu rim, febre dia e noite, tosse, aquela tosse seca, falta de a gente não sentia cheiro, né? Então todo sintoma a gente sentiu aqui, né?
The Amazon River is the lifeline of these people. It feeds them, it transports them, but now, even with limited access to the outside world, it's killing them. Stuart Ramsey, Sky News in the Amazon.